Now let's discuss how this hydrogen helps to remove carbon from your engine. Usually the fossil fuel never burn 100% and it makes you burn fuel which create more carbon, and once carbon deposits then more you burn fuel produce which create less power, less mileage, and high emissions in engine. With our process, we intake hydrogen gas into the engine through hose pipe means after air intake. Our process doesn't need to dismantle the engine. The hydrogen gas goes into the engine with air and burn with the fuel in combustion chamber. Due to its high flammability, it reacts with carbon buildup and burn, and breaks more than 70% carbon into small particles. Once these carbon burns, then the piston friction and compression happens smoothly, which makes burn fuel more efficient and hence more efficient the fuel burn. More power and mileage happen. In the same time when fuel burn efficiently, then unburned fuel is less, which makes less carbon emissions too. This is simple, reliable, chemical-free process, which is good for the engine and environment.